Hi Scorpio, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, that's amazing, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? And we are having here Ace of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, Page of Wands, Five of Pentacles. What are the Scorpions' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Scorpions' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Scorpions' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Four of Cups, the Moon, King of Wands, Seven of Wands. What are the mutual energies? The Fool, and Eight of Pentacles. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Ace of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Four of Cups. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Page of Wands, Seven of Wands, King of Wands. Pisces with this Moon card. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Ten of Wands, Swords. Let's talk about your person's feeling and your person offering you stability, or maybe they want to have a new stable start with someone else and they're falling in love with somebody. They want, actually what they want, intentions, they want someone new in their life. They want to fall in love with someone, and they want to offer stability and steady new beginning to somebody. This is their intentions and this is their desires. They want a new lover with stability and strong foundation. Scorpio, your person want a new lover that they can share their stability, their strength, the strong foundation, how much they are responsible, how much they are stable. This is their offering, and a stable relationship they want, a new lover and a stable relationship they want, they desire. But this person is sad inside. You give this person sad ending, harsh, painful sad ending, and this person is suffering without you financially, especially when everything, the feel of Five of Pentacle, when a person five of Pentacle feeling, it's like when you are painful, hurt, because Ten of Sword as well, everything is okay, feel like that, but still there is nothing okay, and you feel like everything is frozen, cold, alone. Everything is in your hands, but it's cold and frozen, hurting you. That kind of feel right now with, and it's double up this energies. Both cards double up each other's energies and catching these energies. This person is really sad and painful situation and suffering, and they with this totally with this Five of Pentacles in coldness and totally alone. That kind of feelings right now this person feeling, and they want a new lover in their life because you left them in cold, and they, without you, they are suffering and facing this, breathing this pain. And with this Four of Cups, you are really stubborn here, Scorpio. You done taking new proposals and new ideas from this person and this person's love. You are really stubborn here. You are just rejecting this person, maybe block this person, maybe not talking, ignoring this person. Blocking is not even a thing. You're totally ignoring them. You really don't want to look toward this person. Some kind of insecurities and deception. This person give you illusions and deceive you. This is the reason you rejecting this person. This person is shady, and because some kind of a shady appearance and shady behavior, you think this person is decided to try to give you a, in kind, some kind of deception you feel whenever you think about this person. You feel like that this person so gonna ditch you, so gonna deceive you. So, and that's the reason you are ignoring this person and standing up for yourself. Never ever gonna give this person your control and not letting this person to deceive you. The overall, when you think about this person, you think this person will cheat you. and a shady thing, shady behavior. So you are standing up for yourself and pushing this person away, ignoring this person, rejecting this person, pushing this person away, and you know that this person is self-centered and selfish. Always think about themselves first. Always. A narcissistic is always a narcissistic. This is how you feel towards this person. This person is a narcissistic freak. Only care about themselves. First they think about themselves and then do anything for others. And if they are doing something for others, for you, what it if it give them benefit, then they do that. And you don't like this person's this shady behavior, and that's why you totally stubborn in ignoring this person. And it's not just ignoring, you are standing up for yourself and pushing this person away. You know this person is selfish and self-centered, only think about themselves. This person want to have a new beginning. As I told you, they want new lover with the stability. So this person is, in order to get a new lover, they need to be stable as well. They need to be more, their mindset, their behavior, they change. They need to change your behavior. Just wishing for new lover with the other person give this person stability, but it's when time to return, equal give and take, no. This person, that's why they getting this painful ending from you. They want new beginning. Overall, they want fresh start. And with this Eight of Pentacles, you are working on yourself, self grooming, self counseling, understanding more your circumstance and understanding more yourself. You are analyzing, you are working, not just analyzing, you are working on your circumstance and on yourself and developing yourself. Let's see what else we have for you, Scorpio. Four of Pentacles, the Hermit, Wheel of Fortune. With this Four of Pentacles, you totally reserve yourself. You not talking to this person. This person get that. You block them. You just delete this person. You really don't want to deal with this person. You totally reserve it. This person try to talk to you, try to deal with you. You will never respond to them. That's how they get from you. And yes, you are turning your back from this person. You done this person's shady things, manipulative ways, shortcut ways, sneaking behind your back ways. You don't like that, and that's why you're turning your back from this person. It's better be alone, being in a relationship with a player, and some kind of roller coaster in upcoming days for this person. Everything is going to turn into your favor. You are going with flow, and you make your own flow. And your flow is just ignore this person, stand up for yourself, resist this person's manipulations and deceptive, shady ways, and you are going with flow, and everything is going to turn into your favor. Let's see what else we have for you and what should you avoid. We are having here Knight of Sword, Six of Sword, Queen of Cups. This person is really aggressive towards you. They will develop these aggressive feelings and excited feelings, and they try to chase you, try to run after you, and they do have this, the massive energies for you, that aggressive one. You are finding solutions of your problems with your brain and your intellect and with logic. So you are keep moving forward. Some difficulties block our ways, but we find solutions, and that's how we keep moving forward. And there is nothing can stop our progress and growth. And with this Queen of Cups, you are not giving your love to anybody, not this person, not anyone else. You are giving your love, you are reserving your love to yourself. You really don't want to talk about your feelings, your emotions, your love and affection. Talking with this person about feelings is a waste of your feelings, and it would hurt you. You know that. That's why you are not talking to this person. No more affection and feelings exchange between you two. You detach yourself. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading, Scorpio. You are protected from all type of harm. The verse is now behind you. I ask you to relax and feel safe. You need, this is a really beautiful message. Everything is fixed, everything is fine. You need to relax. Let's see what advice messages. Enjoy your friendship. Stop listening sad music. Seek for truth. Love yourself. These are few advice messages in the end, and summary of your reading is the Scorpio, your person want new lover. You give them sad, painful ending and left them in cold, and you are not ready to deal with this person anymore. And the reasons, this person totally get that you are ignoring them, even blocking them. The reasons, you think this person is shady, deceptive, manipulative, self-centered, narcissistic. So you are not relying on this person, you are relying on yourself, and keep moving forward, and you are just keeping your emotions to yourself. These are some ways of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you.